everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here then hi, my name is Sophie and welcome to my space on the internet. In today's video we are doing an Ikea haul slash my birthday haul that I got the other week in my birthday vlog. If you've not seen that then I'll leave it linked up above and down below. I'll leave that link for you guys to check out my little birthday vlog trip to Ikea. I didn't get like a ton of stuff. Like I said in the video, I don't want to buy too much like furniture wise because I don't really know what space I'm going to have in the flat when I eventually move in. So this is kind of just basic kitchen-y home things, but I thought I'd do like a little video of what I got in that video because I didn't actually show you guys on the day. I just kind of did a brief overview like on the conveyor belt, nothing exciting. So I thought I'd sit down and show you exactly what I bought when we went to Ikea. Hi, I just wanted to interject here because I didn't realise until I finished filming this video, for the entire video I've had my fan on, so I'm really sorry. But yeah, you'll hear that background noise of my fan, but it is 32 degrees, like give me a break, it's hot. Anyway, back into what I bought. So to start off, the first thing that I knew that I wanted when I went to Ikea was glasses. Like I said in my last homeware haul, I do have some bits from uni but not a lot. From uni glasses wise, I have two tumblers. They're like porcelain but pink, and they don't do that collection anymore, so I just have two of those tumblers. So I wanted some more glasses, so I got a basic tumbler glass. I got 4 of these just because I have those two porcelain pink ones, so I didn't think I needed to get the full 6, so I just got 4 of these basic glasses. I love these ones, they're like thick and sturdy and lovely. Basic, nothing super exciting, but to me, in like my state of mind at the moment, this is exciting. This is my life. Homeware, glasses, this is where I've got to. I find this exciting. But yeah, so I got 4 of these. Next along the glass line, if you didn't know, I love a good glass of rosé, and I got in my previous haul some gin glasses, which is also my favourite alcohol. So I got some beautiful wine glasses, and now I'm obsessed with the shape of these. Obviously there were normal shaped wine glasses, but I feel like these are more elegant, thin and just aesthetically pleasing. So I got 6 of these, which are beautiful, and I can't wait to have a glass of rosé in my new flat in these glasses. Yeah. Next, along the same theme, glasses, I got the champagne flute version of the same like shape, so like a slightly flat bottom and a little bit tapered. Yeah, again, can't wait. Definitely gonna have a glass of prosecco when I eventually get the keys and move in. So I've got my glasses ready to go. Next, now this is like the least exciting item I think I got on the trip, which was a wooden spoon. Again, like you saw in my last homeware haul, I got some utensils that were like plastic, but you can't go wrong with a good wooden spoon, you know? You can't go wrong with one. Like, so handy, it will last ages, and it was like £1.99. Bargain, absolute bargain. Next, I feel like I'm always referencing my last homeware video, but it's kind of like linked to that stuff. So in my last homeware haul I showed you like the hot plate that says I'm hot, for like pans and things, which is always going to stay on the surface of my counter to protect it. But I also wanted to get some cork board ones, just again in case I have more than one pan, just to sort of protect a larger surface area in my kitchen. So I got these. Again, they weren't particularly expensive, but it's a pack of 3, which is going to be useful in the kitchen. I told you it was like an essential Ikea shop. I still have some birthday money left from Tom, which I'm going to save until I actually move into the flat, for like a table for Squeak to go on, like things like that, slightly more expensive. Or like I saw some lamps that I really like that I would want to get if I have bedside tables, but I don't know if I have space for bedside tables, things like that. So more exciting stuff will be coming. So hit the subscribe button to see more homeware hauls. For now it's like the basics of this is my first ever home. Yeah. Now, okay, this one isn't an essential, but I wanted it. But it is this big like juice dispenser. It's got open close. I was thinking for like cocktails, but when I like got it home and showed my mum, she was like, oh, you can fill it with pink drink. Which if you didn't know, pink drink is Robinson's Summer Fruits, which is like my all-time favourite squash. I drink it all day every day, and I have since I was a kid. So you just fill this up with Robinson's squash and put it in the fridge, and this dispense out my pink drink when I need it, which is all the time. So yeah, this is super cute, obsessed. Next, again, well, this is essential. I'm super excited for it, but it is a plug socket with 3 USB like ports in it, which is going to be super handy for charging everything and anything. So yeah, got that. You don't know you need it until you buy it. It's one of them. Back into the kitchen things. I bought myself a sieve. I don't own a sieve. Like, when you go to uni you don't buy a sieve, but for an adult kitchen you're gonna need a sieve. Like, how am I gonna sieve flour? All sorts. So yeah, got myself a sieve. Again, pretty inexpensive, but a useful addition to the kitchen. Next, like I've said in lots of videos before, I love pasta, and tuna pasta bake is my favourite day of the week, tuna pasta bake Tuesdays. So I got some Pyrex dishes. They came in like a pack of 2, so I got 2 Pyrex dishes for tuna pasta bake, lasagna, not really a fan of lasagna, but just, yeah, paella as well. I can put my paella in here. So yeah, super handy, massive, and again, not that expensive. I love Ikea. Next, I don't think I said this in my birthday video, but on Friday when we went to Ikea, Tom came and picked me up and he bought me some flowers, which was super cute, and it did make me cry. I was a bit in an emotional state on the Friday for my birthday, so I cried when Tom gave me some flowers. But it then made me think, I was like, if he ever does buy me flowers again and I live in my flat, I don't have a vase for them to go in. Like, I've always lived at home, so my mum's always had some sort of vase for flowers to go in, but if I move out, I'm not gonna have that. So it comes in a set of 3. I didn't really want 3, but it's how it comes. I wanted like the middle size one here, but it's 3 vases, so should people buy me some flowers when I move in and things like that, I'll have vases to put the flowers in, which is super exciting because I do love a good flower. So that's like everything that I got from Ikea. Obviously I got like 6 of the champagne glass, 6 of the wine glasses, but I'm not going to show you that. But yeah, that's everything that I actually got from Ikea itself. Then we sort of browsed around while we were at Southampton, and we went into HomeSense. So I just tag it on what I got in HomeSense. Oh wait, I did get one more thing from Ikea, which was this aesthetically pleasing grey plant pot. I did want to get an actual fake flower to go in it, but Tom told me I wasn't allowed to buy a fake flower, so we need to go to a garden centre at some point and get me an actual flower to go in this pot. But it's super cute and very my style for like what I envision my flat I'm going to decorate it like. So yeah, that's the last thing I actually got from Ikea. The next 2 are from HomeSense. Now, this is not an essential in any way, shape or form. Like, you can just use pegs, but these are really cute and pretty, so I wanted them. But they are just some snack clips. So like when you, I don't know, open some chocolate raisins and you don't eat all the chocolate raisins, you clip the bag to make sure it doesn't like go soft and gross. So it's a pack of 6 from Taylor's Eyewitness, gold finished small bag clips. Super cute. Yay. And then finally, final item that I got that day, again, I feel like everything I say is not really essential, but if you'd seen my last homeware haul, you'll know I am like on a hunt to get anything possible in the Le Creuset light blue like finish, and we were in HomeSense, and I think I saw this originally the same time that I got the salt and pepper shakers, but I was like, oh no, I don't need that, like come on, we don't need to buy that right now, like just get the salt and pepper shakers. And then every time I went into a HomeSense in Salisbury, it was never there again, which was super annoying. So when we went to one in Southampton and they had this, then I had to get it. Tom was like, what are you going to use it for? And I was like, well, baking cakes, making pancakes, all sorts. It's going to be a mixing bowl jug. But yeah, it is this lovely blue Le Creuset mixing bowl jug. So I'm gonna like make pancake mixture and all sorts in it, and it's aesthetically pleasing and my style, and it was £12.99 from HomeSense. So yeah, I got more of my Le Creuset set. There we have it. That was my Ikea haul slash birthday weekend haul. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. I'd love to have you back here. Check out the previous homeware like videos I have. There's going to be more homeware videos coming as I buy and move into my flat. But I also do makeup and lifestyle vlogs, so I'd love to have you back here. My name's Sophie. Thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely day. It is so hot. I am so hot. I've just realised I've had that fan on for the entire video.